is a 2005 on a 05 plate, Transit, 350, long wheelbase, 15 seat minibus. It's a one owner with 34,000 miles. MOT'd until June 2009. As you see, the bus is in really super condition, only having done 34,000 miles. It hasn't travelled far, so it's been used probably very lightly from new, which is probably the best way to put it. Seats are all good, no burns or tears or holes or no bad smells in it or anything. Headcloth's perfect. All round a really nice level machine with a great MOT as well. It's got electric windows and electric mirrors. And I'll just show you into the driver's side. Again, same story here. Nice level machine. Spare keys are there as well with the bus. 34,000 miles. That's it.